A passion for fire, the source of our inspiration and work at Hase Kamin-Ofenbau GmbH. Located on the Mosel River in the city of Trier, the family business has been producing stoves with loving attention to detail for 27 years, exclusively in Germany. Meeting the challenge of creating high-quality designs that put the fire in the spotlight is just as important as guaranteeing superior combustion technology for every model. Every day, 160 satisfied employees put their specialized expertise and skilled workmanship into each and every stove. The outcome? A 100% Hase stove made in Germany. Therefore, we use state-of-the-art production processes in the manufacturing of our stoves to guarantee consistent, first-rate results. First, the laser cutting machine uses a computer-controlled process to assign the individual parts of the stove to sheet metal plates, which are then cut with pinpoint precision. Next, the metal sheets are bent on a bending machine and shaped into a sharp angle on a bending press. The pre-shaped parts are welded together by a robot, while special small parts are still welded by hand. Hase operates a fully automatic sandblasting machine for cleaning and roughening the surfaces of the unfinished stoves in preparation for the lacquering process. The stove and all of its small components, such as the doors and side panels, are then automatically guided into the lacquering machine. In a customized procedure, specially programmed for each model, the robot evenly coats the stove with a high heat-resistant paint. At the assembly station, the firebox doors, firebox cladding, ceiling strips, and ash drawers are mounted on the stove. After the stove has been assembled, it's flagged as complete in the IT system. Here, all of the production steps, as well as the employees who built the stove, are documented in detail. Before the stove leaves the final assembly station, the stove is subjected to another rigorous quality inspection. Our in-house ceramic production also requires a high degree of expertise, which already becomes evident in the pre-processing stage. The raw ceramic mixture consists of water, clay, and fire clay. The weight per liter and flow rate of the raw mixture has to be precisely measured, since the successful outcome of all further production steps depends on these factors. Special molds are manufactured for every ceramic tile stove. The casting compound is then poured into the molds. After 12 to 14 hours, the ceramic blank has been formed and can be removed from the mold. The edges of the blank are then carefully contoured by hand. Using a spraying process, the various glaze colors are applied to the blank. The next step, the ceramic tiles are placed on the kiln trolley and moved into the furnace. The ceramic is then fired at a temperature of 1050 degrees to harden them and intensify the color and vibrancy. After about 40 hours, the finished ceramic tiles can be removed from the furnace. In accordance with the Hase quality control standards, the ceramic tiles are inspected for geometry, surface finish, and nuance matching before being packaged in wood wool to protect them during transportation. Being able to deliver at short notice in the autumn and winter months as well requires precise production planning and warehousing. Before the peak heating system begins, several thousand stoves are kept in stock on high bay storage racks. To guarantee safe and secure transport, the stoves are strapped on pallets and shrink-wrapped with protective foil. The path to a Hase stove is through your authorized dealer, who can provide individualized consultation in the showroom and works with the future stove owner to develop a complete solution that is perfectly coordinated with the customer's living space. Friendliness and excellent service ensure a high level of customer satisfaction. Each piece of Hase fire möbel is delivered and expertly installed by a specialist. The development of Hase Kaminofenbau is especially important to me. Our customers expect exceptional designs, superior quality and functionality, as well as the assurance in knowing that we can still provide them with original Hase replacement parts even after decades. Every Hase stove reflects our long-standing experience in both spotlighting the presentation of the fire and in combustion technology. Hase designs are innovative and trend-setting, meet strict high-quality standards, and are easy to operate. And the best part? The new stove turns the living room into a center of life. Hase, time to enjoy a fire.